Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you're watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. Sun controls your third house. Third house Lord being transiting from your 12th house right now in the sign of Taurus into your 12th house. Sun will stay into your 12th house around 15th of June. After that, Sun will move to your first house in the sign of Gemini. So third house, what is third house? Third house is your efforts, your courage, your hand skills, your communication ability, your expertise are seen from the third house, which God gifted you. God gifted expertise are seen from third house. Your ideas, your efforts, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, etc., etc. So your third house Lord being directing from your 12th house. 12th house is your expenses, losses, isolation, foreign settlement, etc., etc. Long-term investment, also represented by 12th house. Subconscious mind thinking is represented by 12th house. So third house Lord being directing from your 12th house. You need to first of all take care of your effort. Your effort may go into waste if you have any foreign connection with you, like you are living into foreign land or you have some connection from foreign land, your work somehow connected to foreign land, then you will have a stable result. But otherwise you need to be take care of your efforts. Your efforts may go into waste. If you are doing some long term investment, your investment may get disturbed during this time period. So try to be patient and try to postpone these days. Try to spend these days with patience, so you will have a good result when after some time this will have in a good position. Also, you after also after 15th June, when Sun will move to your first house. First house is you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your journal health, your journal perception, your mental thinking. So when third house Lord being transiting from your first house and Jupiter is as well transiting from your first house. So after 15 June, you will have a stable result. You will have good result. You will be focusing on your personality, your health, and your appearance. Jupiter being transiting from your first house and along with Sun will illuminate the significance of your first house, then you will have definitely have a great stable result. But before 15 June, you need to take care of your efforts. Your efforts may go into waste, and I'll try to avoid bad communication because of your bad communication, you may have to face losses because especially before 15 June. So before 15 June, try to avoid loss communication and to so you avoid losses. Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. Mercury is very important planet for you people because Mercury is your ascendant lord, and Mercury being right now transiting from your 12th house. Mercury will change two sign in the month of June. Firstly, Mercury will move from your 12th house to your first house around 6th June, and from your first house to your second house around 23rd June 2025. So major portion of this period, Mercury will be present into a sign of Gemini to your first house into your ascendant along with Sun, Jupiter. Mercury being the lord of your first house, as we discussed previously in Sun section, after 15 June you will be a lot focusing on your first house, and your first house lord will also be into your first house. So definitely you will be more curious regarding your appearance. You will have a lot of success, a lot of respect regarding your work related matter. Your overall aspects of life will be come into land, come into a proper order, and you will feel very satisfactory, especially after 15 June when Sun will also transiting from your first house, because Sun, Mercury, and Jupiter will give you a lot of great results regarding your fame, regarding your respect, regarding your personality, regarding your appearance. Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Aries. Venus is just moved in the beginning of this month from your 10th house to your first house in the sign of Aries, and will stay till the whole month of June into your 11th house. 12th house Lord being into your 11th house. That's why we were earlier telling you, like in the Sun section, you if you have any connection from a foreign land, you will have a lot of gains, a lot of good result, a lot of financial success from your foreign related matter, because 11th house is your success, is your earning, is your gain, is your recognition, is your support system, is your sources, is your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes. So being your 12th house lord and 5th house lord into your 11th house, you will your hopes and wishes may fulfill during this time period, especially regarding your love relationship, 5th house, and your children, because Venus also controls your 5th house. If you're in education life and your work involving your mental abilities, then you will be performing very well and very sufficiently during this time period, because your Venus 5th house lord aspecting its own house. Your 5th house is right now into very good position. If you are interested into speculation type of thing, then you will also have good result regarding that matter. Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now transiting from your second house in the sign of Cancer. Mars was from previous 2 months was moving into its debilitation state in the sign of Cancer into your second house. But now there is a good news. Around 7 June, Mars is about to move from your second house to your third house in the sign of Leo. So Mars has come again from its original position, come out from its debilitated state, debilitated weak sign, and move to your third house. And already Ketu is starting from your third house, as we discussed in our Rahu Ketu transit video. You will do a lot of effort and you will be successful into your effort, because Ketu and Mars into your third house will give you a tremendous amount of courage, tremendous amount of ability to do effort, and you will also get the revenue of that effort, because Ketu is accomplished thing and Mars is the charging thing. So you will do effort due to Mars, and you will have the satisfaction to get good result due to the presence of Ketu into your third house. Just avoid bad communication, aggressive communication. Time to time you get aggressive communication, you will face circumstances where you will have to get aggressive into your communication related matter. Beside this thing, you will have good result regarding all of that matter. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Gemini ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.